Howdy y'all, and welcome to our trumpet tutorial for line dance number 76. We're going to get started. It's kind of a cowboy song, so I'll wear my cowgirl hat for y'all. Okay, let's take a look at the beginning. We have one flat, so we're in the key of F, so our song starts on F and ends on F. Then we have 2/4 times, so 2/4, so the half note gets a B, so we count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? Then we have mezzo forte the whole song. We have a repeat sign here. And then, let's see, we have some slurs and staccato. So ti, ya, da, 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 da. Tenuto is long. Ti, ya, da, da. These are short staccatos, okay? Let's go ahead and clap the rhythm. 1, 2, here we go. Ti, 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 tiki, tiki, ta. Ti, 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 tiki, tiki, ta. Ti, 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 tiki, tiki, ti, 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 tiki, tiki, ta. Ti, 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 tiki, tiki, ta. Ti, 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 tiki, tiki, ta. Ti, 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 tiki, tiki, ti, 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 tiki, tiki, ta. Watch the ending, don't let it confuse you. Here we go, now let's do a metronome. And I will play along with it. But before we do that, I forgot we're going to sing and finger. So here we go, let's sing and finger the notes. Ready, and F, G, F, C, F, F, G, G, F, G, A, G, D, G, G, A, A, G, E, F, G, F, E, E, F, F, G, C, F, A, G, G, E, E, F. One more time, y'all. And F, G, F, C, F, F, G, G, F, G, A, G, D, G, G, A, A, G, E, F, G, F, E, E, F, F, G, C, F, A, G, G, E, E, F. Whoa, all right, guys, here we go. Now I'm going to go to metronome, and I'll play it for you slow. Ba-dum, bum, bum. Here we go. 1, 2, ready? Awesome. Okay, now we will play it one more time with the track. Turn off my metronome, and we will do it with the track. Here we go. One time, not too loud. Kind of fast. Ready? Alright, partners, that was my quick and fast little tutorial for y'all cowboys. Let me know if you need any help. Make sure you're tonguing, make sure you slur the slurs, and you do the staccatos when you need to. Ti, ta, ta. I know some of y'all don't like to tongue, so make sure you do it. If you need any help, guys, I am available. So is Ben via Google Hangouts, Google Meets, and Zoom, whatever you guys need, we're here for you. So shoot us an email or put in the discussion board, and we'll be there to help you. Good luck, guys, and we'll see you next time. Stay safe and stay healthy. Miss y'all.